Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a homemade chicken pot pie. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start making the sauce for the chicken pot pie. Now some people use oil, but in this video I will be using butter. I believe most people use butter, but I've seen some people use oil. So whatever floats your boat, you know. When I was younger, I did not like chicken. I did not like chicken pot pie. Well, at least the store bought one. But once I got older, I started liking it. You know, the little banquet, little pot pie. I started liking it. I don't think I like the ones. I don't think I like the potatoes in it, so I wouldn't eat those. So let this butter melt, and then I'm gonna throw in the vegetables that I have. Some people, I'll go. Some people have they use celery, but they use celery, onions, and whatever else. I'm using green bell pepper and onions because celery is not my favorite. So I'm gonna use what I like, and that goes without saying for everyone to use what they like. You know, whatever floats your boat, that's what you use. Okay, get this butter nice and melted. Come on, butter. I think my stove is lopsided too. If this is not, or this pan might be lopsided. Anywho, let's get this going. And I have fresh carrots. I should have brought, I have a can of carrots, but I've had these fresh carrots for a while. And so I just want to, I need to use them. Not for a long time, whereas they're, you know, uh, not good. So now the fire is gonna slow down. Put that in there. So you get the vegetables in there first, like some carrots, green peppers. Gotta let that heat get back up. Okay. Let these carrots, do a little 1, 2. Gotta pour the flour in now while this is going. Make this thick. The flour gives, thickens it up. Where's my whisk? That's what I should be using or something. All right, guys. That's too much. I'll pour my chicken bouillon. I got some chicken bouillon. Chicken bouillon. I got chicken broth. I'm going to be pouring in here. Okay, hopefully, I have to pour a little bit more. Just thicken it up pretty fast. Let me get this going. I have to turn the heat down. I have the heat up high. Put some heavy cream as well. I gotta put my seasonings. Black pepper. Don't mind me with the seasoning, y'all. Heavy-handed, I like it. I like to taste my seasoning. I don't usually use salt, but I will be using a little bit of salt. Yeah, so that was chili pepper, garlic powder, regular pepper, and I don't have onion powder, so I'm gonna put this mince in here. And a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, not too much to, give nobody no high blood pressure. Child, that flour. Okay. I'm gonna have to taste it. Right? The flour got kind of thicker than I wanted it to, but it's okay. I'll get it back to where it's at. Give me a second. Okay, guys. I'm gonna warm this up a little bit more. I like the consistency of it. Oh, I meant to pour a little bit more. I don't know if I need any more cream. I don't think I do, but I like it. So, and I gotta put my chicken. I forgot. Messing up the video. A chicken in the pot pie. Chicken, peas. Oops. Enough. Some out. I got peas falling everywhere. Now, let me tell y'all something. I'm a messy cook. I am a messy cook. This is going to cook more in the oven. I like the consistency of it. So I have peas in here, carrots. I cut up chicken breasts earlier. So into like squares, smaller squares. And it's going to cook in the oven more. So stay tuned. I'm going to transfer it to the pie shell. Okay, guys, welcome back. So now I finished with the filling for the chicken pot pie. I am now going to poke holes. You have to poke holes into the bottom of the pie crust, size 2. See, I saw my mom do this. Oh, my grandmother rather. I saw my grandmother do it when I was younger. Now, this is my very first time making chicken pot pie at home. I thought it was something, because also this is a budget friendly channel. So I'm going to try my best to always make budget friendly meals. So I have 2 pie crusts, right? 2 pie crusts. This one is going to be for the top. I'm going to take this out, hopefully, because they didn't, so I don't know. They didn't have the rollout ones at the store I went to. So, and I'm not good at making homemade rollout pie crust dough. So yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So I'm going to. Okay. So here I am about to pour. This is pour some of the yeah. Make sure I get plenty in there, not to overflow it, but you know. Ooh, this is gonna be kind of overflowed, isn't it? It's only one way to find out. Because I want plenty in there. Okay. Now let's see. Think I could do it without it crumbling. And I'll put this on top. I'm wondering, it's coming up. So it's definitely coming up. Let's see, guys. Let me get a spatula. Because I was like, I'm going to make this thing today. I forgot the cherry, what do they call Macaron cherries for my pineapple upside. Oh, okay. Uh-oh, it's breaking a little. Oh, it's breaking. Okay. It's still, at the end of the day, it's still going to be, I'm still going to get it up there. Move closer. Okay. Ooh, it's breaking, but it's okay. I got it up there the best way I could, y'all. Oh, crap. Okay. Okay. I could fix this, y'all. I could fix it. Okay. I could fix it. I overthrew it. So I'm going to take some of this crust, put it on this side, take some that's overlapping it, and put it. Let me just fix. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Give me grace. This is overlapping. I'm going to, kind of poke it around. Don't worry, I'm definitely going to put a sheet pan over this. I'm going to put this here. Got a little bit of crust. I'm going to put here. Listen, because it's all going to get eaten, right? And this didn't cost much. Well, the heavy cream was $3.50. The butter, of course, stick of butter. You can buy, a small thing of butter for like $2.99. So this channel, I try to keep everything under $40. So yes, with the peas and the frozen peas was like $1.49. The carrots were $1.99, I think. Of course, the chicken breast, if you buy from Amazon grocery, the chicken breast was literally $11 for the whole pack, for a large family pack. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back with the finished product. Wish me luck. Hey guys. Okay, so this is the finished product of my pot pie. Now remember, it fell apart a little bit, but you know what? Look, it looks good. It's good to go. Okay, and I'm gonna cut into it. Hold on. Dig in there. Okay, you guys getting that? I like it. I like it. I'm gonna have to cut more than this, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut another piece. This ain't gonna be enough. It looks so good. Cut a little bit more. It's gonna be a little messy, but it's okay. Get my crust. I love my crust. I like my crust now. Yes. Now, be a piece, guys. Great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And make you a pot pie. And have a great night.